feeding expressions into for each. For each consumes a collection and converts it into resource instance addresses. Each element in the collection becomes a unique address in Terraform state. Terraform assigns addresses before contacting AWS, so identity must exist at plan time. A list does not work because it lacks stable keys, which prevents deterministic addressing. A map or set works because each element produces a predictable identity key. Terraform evaluates the for each expression before building the dependency graph. By resolving the collection first, Terraform can assign all instance addresses deterministically. If any part of the expression is unknown, Terraform cannot finalize the instance set. This constraint ensures that state addresses remain stable across plans. Terraform uses the map key as the resource instance address suffix. Each .key becomes part of the state path, which determines update versus replacement behavior. Changing the value updates the same object because the address remains constant. Changing the key creates a new address, which causes destroy and recreate. Raw input rarely matches the identity structure required by for each. A for expression converts arbitrary input into a map with stable keys. By shaping the data first, you control which field becomes the identity anchor. This design prevents accidental replacement when non-identity fields change. Terraform must know all for each keys before creating any resource. A value produced by AWS, such as VPC ID, is unknown until apply. Using unknown values as keys prevents Terraform from assigning addresses. This results in a plan failure because the instance set cannot be determined. A set uses the string value as both identity and payload. Duplicate values collapse into one instance because sets enforce uniqueness. A map separates identity from configuration by using keys and values independently. Maps support richer configuration because identity and data are decoupled. Changing a for each key changes the resource address in state. Terraform treats this as deletion of the old object and creation of a new one. This behavior applies even if the underlying AWS resource could have been updated in place. On a submarine, relabeling a valve without updating the procedure causes operators to act on the wrong system. The same pattern appears here because Terraform follows identity labels, not intent. The for each expression defines the address space of your infrastructure. Stable keys ensure consistent state tracking across applies. Unstable or derived keys introduce unintended replacement behavior. Shaping data into a deterministic map before for each ensures predictable lifecycle outcomes.